Oh, Deepak, still you have same problem. Hello, Deepak. Deepak, it seems your this one speaker's problem. You check once, something muted. So this one, your mic itself not appearing here. Mic should appear. Yes, yes. Join audio is there, right? System. You can use system. Mm. No, not dial over phone. Yeah, join audio. You have the earphones. Mm. Oh, you are not able to hear my voice as well, right? Oh, then difficult for you. Without audio, you cannot. It will be problem for you. Yeah, try with phone. Join audio by phone. That option is there, right? Yes, yes, yes. You click that one. Yes, yes. You click that one. Yeah, bye, bye. Okay, yeah, we will start actually. Let him join. He's facing some issue there, but no problem. So, yeah, first going to the this one class, I'll tell you some few details about myself. Okay, so later we will proceed with our actual session. Yeah, this is Rambabu Akada. I have around 7 years of IT experience as a database administrator. Initially, for the first 1 year, I have worked as a developer, Teradata developer. After that, I have migrated to PostgreSQL DBA position. So from there onwards, almost around 6.5 years, completely into PostgreSQL. In addition to PostgreSQL, I have worked on multiple database technologies. So like Oracle, I have worked Greenplum, I have worked Cassandra, MongoDB, MySQL, and this one MariaDB, SQL Server as well. Okay, around 7 database technologies I have worked parallelly based on the project requirement. Hadoop as well, Pivotal Hadoop also I have worked. Now almost I'm working as a this one architect level kind of thing, and the same thing I'm supporting both Oracle and PostgreSQL I'm supporting. Okay, so and coming to my training career, almost I have started my career in 2013 as a PostgreSQL DBA. Training career started by end of the 2015 and beginning of the 2016. So around that time only I have started. Initially my career started with eCorp. I think you people heard that eCorp, right? eCorp is the this one training provider, online training provider. Through eCorp training, I used to provide training for some people for PostgreSQL. So later I have some glitches with them, eCorp team. So I came out. Came out means I don't want to provide the training through eCorp. So I started my own instance in institute in 2016 starting. Okay, that was earlier in Hyderabad, Yarragad area. I think you people might see my address in this one, right? That website. So 2018 I moved to Singapore. So for almost from last nearer to around 3 years, almost closer to 3 years. From last 3 years, I'm working in Singapore only. Okay, so in a banking sector. So as a PostgreSQL DBA, parallel supporting Oracle as well. So that is the reason you people are unable to call me directly. Only WhatsApp will work. If my this one website, if you open, there also you will find it, right? I clearly mentioned actually PostgreSQL DB training in Hyderabad. So this is my one, actually this is my website. So if you see, you will find the details, and clearly I mentioned also. Only this one, WhatsApp will work like that I mentioned. So see here, WhatsApp, only WhatsApp will work, this number, okay? So this is my website actually. So recently updated one day back. Yes, yesterday only updated. So this is the one. At the same time, you can go with the YouTube as well. YouTube, I clearly mentioned everything, right? So there also you can find it. Not only here, Just Dial is there, right? Just Dial, this one Amirpet one, address not updated. So this one also my one only, okay? So here also I mentioned somewhere, WhatsApp me like that I mentioned, right? Yes. Only WhatsApp will work like that I mentioned. This is my number, okay? Yeah, these are the details. Yeah. So coming to this one, our training part completely, it's a database administration only. So 100% is database administrator and 20% is development. Most of the here actually what happening in real time, most of the times DBA should support development as well. Okay. Development means you should understand. If someone is coming up with some issue, you have to at least explain to that guy, right? So that is the reason you should aware of that one. Okay. You should aware of each and everything. So that is the reason I'm covering development 20%, DBA course 100%. Okay. So this is about myself. Yeah. So if you people have any questions or concerns, you ask me. If no questions, I'll proceed with the this one, the actual one. Okay. Yeah. Any questions?
Uh, Rambabu.
Yeah.
So as a database administrator, so we are going to learn also how to manage and maintain the job. I mean, the agent job. We are going to create the job for the backup job.
No,
Uh,
everything cron tab only. Everything cron tab only. Normal backup script, we will write a normal script. We will place in that cron tab.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
yeah, is this going to be the schedule script that we are going to run? And
Yes, 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 yes.
okay, okay, good.
Schedule. We'll see that one.
Okay.
We will create a backup script. We will schedule it. Okay. Yeah. Not only backup script, some maintenance activities are there, right? So maintenance activity script also we will schedule it. Okay, then. Yeah. So I'm starting with the actual stuff. Okay. So this one actually complete DBA course, right? As part of DBA course, I thought you all people have the course catalog, right? So from the course catalog, you will not miss anything. Let me open the course catalog. See here. It's a Sahasra technology. And one minute, someone is waiting. Yeah. See here. Okay. Daily we are going to teach the class, right? After that one, if you are following well, so I'll give you the 100% of PostgreSQL certification completion assistance actually. So definitely every time, every day I'll tell you, this question will be comes as part of certification, this question will be comes as part of interview, like that from starting onwards, end of the class I'll tell you every day. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing, why PostgreSQL database? What is the meaning of PostgreSQL? When it came, history of PostgreSQL, who developed it? Okay, what are the versions in it? So that one, that complete part, this introduction, today one. Okay, today one, why, introduction and history of the PostgreSQL we are going to cover today. Next one, PostgreSQL architecture. So you people aware of this, right? Any database, definitely it will have a architecture concept actually. So from starting point of query execution to until get the results at complete flow, we will call it as architecture, right? That architecture coming to every database will have this architecture. PostgreSQL have its own architecture. That architecture divided into three portions. One is general architecture, second one memory based architecture, third one process based architecture. Okay, so this one will take around 4 days actually. Okay, 4 hours, almost 4 hours to 4.5 hours. Next one, what are the PostgreSQL major features and major data types? Okay. Next one, PostgreSQL installation. This is almost fifth day or sixth day. Okay. So we have different ways of installations. One is source code installation, one is RPM installation, one is run installation. All the three types we will see. Okay. All the three types of installations we will see as part of our session practically. Next one, PostgreSQL cluster initialization, data directory explanation, starting and stopping PostgreSQL cluster services, automation actually, automatic startup of PostgreSQL services, that part we will work. And one more thing, while starting the services, if we are facing any common issues, that issues and troubleshooting also we will see, okay? Later, installation lab setup, how to set up the lab for installation, that one we'll see. Next, host-based authentication and access management. How to control the access for PostgreSQL instance, that one we'll see. And one more thing, benefits of maintenance activities and how to recover the disk space, how to update the statistics. There is a concept called transaction ID. So the how it will behave, okay, how the count will change, transaction ID count, that one we'll see. Later, see here, the very important thing is PostgreSQL will follow the MVCC, multi-value concurrency. PostgreSQL will give the guarantee by achieving MVCC features. Okay, that MVCC features will be handled by transaction isolation levels. So that is the reason we will see the transaction and concurrency control practically. Okay, read committed, read uncommitted, repeatable read, serializable. These kind of transaction isolation levels are there. Which isolation level works, how, that part we will see. And routine DBA tasks and best practices we'll see. Audit log management, very important thing. Okay, if someone is doing some operation on top of the database, so we need to track each and everything for that one. How to enable the audit log, this concept also we'll see. And query analysis we'll see. And one more thing, monitoring and statistics, database logs monitoring, OS process monitoring, PostgreSQL stats monitoring, and correct statistic monitoring. And materialized, that is very important thing, is materialized views actually. Materialized views, and see hardware configuration for PostgreSQL installation, transaction logs management. Very important thing is table spaces. Okay, table spaces, it will take 2 days for us. Okay, so complete scenarios, almost I think around 10 scenarios is there for table space. If you go to real time, like if you go to office, you will never face the kind of thing Ram Babu told this thing, we are doing this thing, like that. You will never see even 1 point also difference from here and there. That's what I'll give you 200% guarantee. Okay, whatever the scenarios we are going to cover here, same thing. Go to office. If someone is asking you to do something, just do Control F in our notepad. Okay, it will be there with the detailed steps. Okay, if you are missing the notepad, means I cannot do anything. If you keep your notepad, whatever they are asking, just do Control F in our notepad. If you are not getting that, means you can simply come and ask me. Okay, these guys are asking this one, you didn't told this one, like that you can ask me, no problem. Okay, for every batch we will create one WhatsApp group, right? So no problem, you can ping at any time. Okay, so that's what. Table spaces, what is the advantage of table spaces, why we need table spaces, what are the default table spaces, how to create table spaces manually, if you create table spaces, where exactly it will sit. Okay, these kind of things all will comes table spaces concept. Next one, partitioning, very important thing is partitioning actually. So to improve the performance of a bigger tables, okay, bigger tables, normally we will split the table into chunks actually, pieces. So that concept we will call it as partitioning, right? So up to 9.6, how they used to do the partitioning, that time we don't have partition keyword actually in PostgreSQL. 10 onwards only it came partition by keyword like Oracle. 10 onwards it came actually. We will see that one as well. Okay, so how to build the partitioning up to 9.6 version, and now how to build that one from 10 onwards. Okay, both manual partitioning and automated partitioning, both the partitioning we'll see. Next, very important thing, as a DBA, every day I can give you guarantee, wherever you go, every day at least you will get 2 imports, 2 exports, like that, ad hoc import, ad hoc export. Data take backup from production server, restoring into QA or staging, like that. Okay, So that one only data, sorry, data import and export. Only data import and export is different. With structure import and export is different. Okay, we'll see that one as well. Next one, PostgreSQL tools, very important. PG Badger, it's an utility. Okay, it will represent your log file in a graphical format. That one will see PG pool. This one will see theoretical actually PG pool. So it's for load balancing and auto failover. So that one will see theoretically. And PG admin, it's completely you can able to do all the things. What are the things you are doing from command prompt? So each and everything you can able to, this one you can able to perform using PG admin. This is the tool, PG admin tool. Okay, this is the PG admin tool. We'll see that one practical. I'll show you how to install and how to connect the PostgreSQL server using that one. Okay, next one, PG bench. So PG bench just only for connection pooling actually, reserved connections. Let's suppose if maximum connection limit exceeded for the PostgreSQL, still this PG bench will keep some reserved connections for the critical sessions. Okay, so that critical sessions can use this reserved connections to avoid the failures, connection failure issues. Okay, next one, backup and restore. This is the main one. We will see around 20 to 25 plus scenarios. You will, I'll give you a guarantee, nowhere you will get it. 20 to 25 scenarios we'll see practically. Each and every scenario will be useful in real time. Okay, so first, logical backup, we have some different types: PG dump, PG dump all, PG restore, PSQL restore. These kind of things are there. We will see practically each and everything. Okay, next one, physical backup also. Logical backup is different, physical backup is different, right? So how to take the physical backup, how to do the restore. Okay, that kind of things we'll see. Next one, PostgreSQL maintenance activities. So as part of maintenance activities, we have a concept called vacuum, analyze, vacuum full, vacuum freeze, reindex, these kind of things, right? We will see these all the things practically. Okay, first will the theory itself, it will take 1 day, and practical it will take 1 day. Okay, so next one, database upgrade. As a DBA, this is very important, right? This is your day-to-day task actually, maintenance activities. Database upgrade, it's not a day-to-day, it's occasional, weekly once, like that, based on your number of servers. So during the upgrade, we have different concepts. Contrib module installation. So PostgreSQL database upgrade methods, we can do major upgrade, we can do minor upgrade, we can roll back the upgrade, right? So these all kinds will do practically. Okay, how to upgrade, after upgrade, if they don't want, how to revert that one, that kind of things we'll see. Okay, and one more thing, replication methods. This is the class, it will take around 4 days, I think. Minimum 4 days it will take replication. Okay, so we have two ways of replication: synchronous replication, asynchronous replication. As part of these two ways, we have some types of replications. Okay, streaming replication, warm standby replication, cascading replication, logical replication. Okay, and this one actually multiple slave replication. Okay, these things we have. And failover, if master server went down, we will promote slave server as a master server. Sometimes switchover means master will act as a standby will act as a master. That one switchover also we will do. Okay, failback also we will do. We will achieve high availability with replication only. That one will do. Okay, and one more thing, any standby conflicts and wall shipping process, these kind of things also we'll see. Okay, and one more thing, sometimes we will sync that. We need to do the sync with only incremental changes between the master and slave machine. In that case, we will use PG event. That one also we'll see. Next one I told right already. Achieve the partitioning using inheritance. That one will see inheritance and partitioning. Next one, self-partitioning. Self-partitioning, and one more thing, trigger-based partitioning. Okay, so these three things we will see. Next one, performance tuning. This is very important. OS level tuning, query level tuning, database level performance tuning, user level performance tuning, object level performance tuning, right? Okay, these all the layers we'll see. Next, Oracle to PostgreSQL migration. 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, good morning, Krishna. Krishna, you're able to hear, right, my voice?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, super. Deepak only facing issue. Bad luck. Deepak, we will fix that tomorrow at least. Huh? Oh, Deepak, it seems. Yes. Deepak, now you are able to hear, I think. You are mute. Deepak, now you are able to write? Hello, Deepak? Yes, yes, okay. Yeah, super, okay, nice, no problem. Yeah, actually today first day, right? So that is the reason some people are still not joined. First 4 days, 3 to 4 days, new people will come and join, okay? So no problem. So anyway, today this class, right? Sorry?
Are you sending that schedule? What we are doing, which day? Are you sending that?
No, 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 no. It's not a date wise. You have this catalog, right? I'll follow the catalog order only. Course catalog is there, right? This catalog, one by one. Sometimes what will happen, one concept is there. If lot of discussion coming, that concept will extend. So that is the reason I cannot give you guarantee. Almost dates will not change, but sometimes maybe today class, tomorrow it will go to tomorrow like that due to the discussion. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine. But yeah, are you going to send this one, this catalog?
Yes, yes. I sent already, right? I sent to you. Anyway, I'll send you today. Okay, no problem.
Oh, okay. Thank
I'll
you.
send it again. Okay. So yeah, and one more thing. This one tuning part also we will take. We will spend more time tuning part. Okay. So next thing, Oracle to PostgreSQL migration, ways of migration, types of migration, tools using for migration. See, wherever you go for interview, definitely first part they are asking, do you know Oracle to PostgreSQL migration? Okay, that is 50% value added for you. If you say no, I know, so it's a 50% value added for you. So that is the reason we are going to teach the Oracle to PostgreSQL migration practically, okay, with using Oracle PG, that one. Next one, after done this one, I'll help you to the prepare resume. I'll provide you the sample resume actually, okay, sample resume. Once you filled up with your details, I'll review your resume. That is the second thing. Next one, every time I'm saying, right, it's like assistance to complete 100% certification. If you are following our class as it is, you can able to get it very simply 65 to 70 marks. Pass mark you can get it. If you need more, you should be a very strong in basics actually. Basics means it's a related to database, not only PostgreSQL. Database basics, okay? So yesterday we have written exam to one guy. This one, that guy name is Prasad. I think Rasid, you know that guy. Prasad, last batch.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So 1 minute, let me show you the certificate. He got 90%. Yes, he got 90%. Okay. PostgreSQL 12 associate certification. He got 90%. Okay. Yeah. So no problem. If you people are okay. 1 minute. So see here. Like that. Okay. Your own also you can try. But actually, if you need my help, so if you're not that much confident, if you need my help, that should be chargeable actually. Okay. So our students, it will be 7,000 rupees. Our non-students, it's like it will be 10,000 actually. Okay. So for my if you need my help, okay, during the exam. So that is the way. And one more thing, once done actually, every day after the session, you will get video recording. Okay. For the complete thing, you will get video recording. And one more thing, this one, in addition to video recording, every day you will get the notes. Okay. From starting to end, complete end, only one notes. Okay. Only one notes I'll maintain. So daily you will get these notes. And one more thing, I told you already, right? Videos are read-only permission. Okay. Every day you will get recorded video. You can able to read it. You cannot able to download it. You cannot able to share with anyone. If you are sharing with anyone, so next day onwards, you will not get this one actually. Even meeting link also I will not share. Okay. If you are sharing with someone, definitely I'll get notification. So gone case. Okay. Your money will be waste. Okay. Don't waste your money. Don't waste this one. Like it's my effort, right? So you should not share with anyone video. Okay. Notes you can able to download. You can use it. No problem. But don't share with anyone. Okay. That is your money, your hard work, right? Why you have to give to other people? Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's it from our side. Yeah, if anyone have any questions regarding this part, let me know. Any questions?
Yeah, hello Ram.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. This Postgre is for same that we are doing for the Mr. Windows based and the Linux based.
Everywhere it is same. Okay.
Okay.
Only Windows you will double click it. Windows also, you are from SQL background, right?
Yeah, I'm from the Oracle background.
Oracle background means you know Linux, right? Yes.
Yeah.
There will be no difference between Windows and Linux. Okay. Windows just we will double click the package .executable file. Linux just will do in a different manner. That's it. Other than that, no difference.
Okay.
Database is database, right? End of the day. Yeah.
Okay. But in the IT industry, that this Postgre is on the Linux based or it's a Windows.
95% is Linux based.
Okay.
Windows
Okay.
less security, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
now that is the reason SQL people are also moving to this one, right?
Correct.
PostgreSQL. Yeah. SQL and Oracle, most of the people are 50% of the people are moving to PostgreSQL.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Anything, Arun? Ajak? Anything?
Hello.
Yeah, Deepak.
This is Deepak.
Yeah.
Can you tell Barman under application manager tools? Can you provide the tools?
Barman, no. Barman and EDB bot, these are not recommended. Okay. Actually, what happened due to we can while taking backup, it's good actually. Incremental backup we are able to take. Something went wrong. If you get a chance to restore, right? Restore or recovery. So definitely you will face the hit. That is the reason even EDB team also not recommending. Okay. Taking backup and all not a big deal. Your intention is whenever you get a situation, so you should not be in a position to no, I don't know how to do this. It's not happening. It's corrupted. Something like that. We should not tell to client, right? They will not accept. You are the one given design for us backup. So you do restore. They will do like that only. So don't do this. That is the reason. If any something harmful things are there, I will not tell you wantedly. If someone is asking, then only I'll give explanation. If something harmful and not recommended one, I will not cover here. Okay.
Okay. I have searched in one of the websites. That's why I am asking.
Yes. I got your point. If I'm saying something, definitely it will go in a wrong direction.
Okay.
That's right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Divya, you have any question?
No.
Okay. Krishna?
No, Ram.
Okay, then we'll proceed with our actual one. Okay. Yeah. So this is about myself and our this what actually. Okay. Now we are jumping into the original one. Okay. So first thing, I think all people aware of this one, but you have to listen at least 10 minutes. Okay. I'll show you the flow actually. Okay. How exactly we are getting data to our data warehouse. Okay. Whether it is Oracle or PostgreSQL, MS SQL, whatever it is. So here as a DBA, simply you are doing logging into the database, you are running select star from this and that. Okay, that and all okay. But actually from where the data is coming, okay, directly it's falling from somewhere. No, it's not happening like that, right? So for that one, we have something. I'll tell you that flow. Huh? Give me 1 minute. I'll have some water. And one more thing, I forgot to tell you. In addition to our course catalog is there, right? This is the course catalog. We are adding something actually. Very important thing is actually DB link. Outside, no one will teach this one actually. Okay. DB link, database link actually. From one database, you can access another database objects. Okay, that one is the DB link concept. To create the DB link, we have to create foreign data wrapper, FDW. That one also I'll show you. And one more thing, for achieving the FDW, we need to do remote server actually. Okay, we need to create the remote server. That part also we will take care. And row level security. One table is there. Okay, one table is there. The table 100 rows are there. 50 rows should appear to one guy. 50 rows should appear to one guy, like that. All 100 rows will not appear to all people. That one row level security. We will call it as a row level security. Okay, that one also we'll see. And one more important thing is replication slots. Replication slots very important. Okay, so as part of replication, that would be more helpful. That concept also I have added newly. And one more thing, this one, MVCC, multi-value concurrency. That one actually, as part of MVCC, we have ACID properties, atomicity, consistency, and this one, durability, ACID, right? Atomicity, consistency, durability, and isolation. Yes, these 4 things we will, I'll cover it, this one theoretically. To achieve this one, we have transaction isolation level, right? That one I'll show you practically. Okay, these are the things. And one more thing, in addition to row level security, I'm going to cover one more thing, but it is DB link, row level security, and transaction isolation level. Something is there. Okay, so anyway, that 4 concepts additional actually. Okay, one more concept is there. That 4 concepts additional. Okay, that one we'll see. Yeah. Now see here, what is database? Database, okay, it is a storage device. Okay, it is a storage device or place which is used to manage only summarized data. Correct, right? Only summarized data. Good. Then what is summarized data? See here, what is summarized data? Data which is having proper format, which will be useful for proper purpose. Okay, proper purpose, and it will gives proper meaning, right? Proper meaning. Okay, that data we will call it as summarized data. Correct, right? Summarized data. This is the first point actually. Always database will contain summarized data. Summarized data means it will be in a proper format. If you see, you can able to clearly understand. Yes, it's in proper format. It is useful for proper purpose. Yes, by reading the data itself, okay, it can be related to railway, it can be related to aeroplanes, it can be related to banking, like that. You can easily understand. Okay, and one more thing, the data will be useful for proper purpose. And one more thing, it will give a proper meaning. Okay, that data we will call it as a summarized data. What is the data other than summarized data? We have a concept called raw data, right? Raw data. It's a combination of data. It is combination of different sources and different formats of data. Okay, it will be not having proper format, not useful for proper purpose, right? Not useful for proper purpose. Most of the people are aware of this concept. Okay, but people, even one guy don't know also. If he knows this one means good. Useful for proper, it will be not useful for proper purpose, right? Proper purpose. That is the thing actually. Okay, so it is a combination of different sources. Why different sources of data is coming into the picture here actually? So that's what we'll see. Okay, so there is a concept called data. See here, how to get summarized data from raw data. Okay, raw data. So there is a concept called any idea? Called data mining, right? Data mining to extract summarized data from raw data. Okay, it's just like a land mining, right? Our land mining is there. Land mining concept, from the soil, they will extract the metals, right? Gold, silver, iron, everything from the soil only, they will extract, right? So getting the metal from the soil, we will call it as a land mining. At the same time, getting the summarized data from raw data, we will call it as a data mining concept. So then how you will achieve the data mining? Data mining operations will be, data mining operations will be performed by whom? Any idea? Performed by ETL team, right? ETL team. What is the meaning of ETL team? ETL team means extraction, right? Extraction, transformation, data loading, right? Just loading. Okay, loading. Okay, we'll do what they will extract actually. Extraction. Okay. See here, let's suppose you have 1,000 tons of soil. From that soil, to take the metal, okay, to extract the metal, first we will filter it, right? All the 1,000 tons soil we will not process. So just they will extract the almost closed sample. Okay. Which part is having more metal, that part only will take, right? So extraction. ETL team will extract required amount of data by applying filter conditions. Okay, conditions on raw data. Okay, some due to it will apply some filter conditions, then they will get the some required amount of data. Okay, they get the required amount of data. Out of 1,000 GB raw data, just they got 100 GB summarized data. Okay, data is ready. And what is this transformation? Transformation means, see, suppose mining happening. From the mining, they have taken gold. Okay, that will be like a balls, right? Gold balls, just like a stone, gold stone, like that. You cannot use that. There will be no use with that gold stone, right? So you cannot wear it. You cannot do anything. So then what you have to do? You have to change the format of that gold stone to metal, the ornament, right? See, if you change that gold stone into ornament, like a necklace, like a harem, like this one bracelet, whatever it is, like a chain. So end of the day, you have to change the format of the metal, right? Here also same thing. You have to change the format of data. Okay, change the format of data with respect to target data warehouse. Okay, data warehouse. DWH means data warehouse. Change the format of data with respect to target data warehouse. We'll call it as transformation. See, some people, they will change completely this one, right? Makeover. Completely they will change the makeover, right? Like earlier that guy used to do with rubby hair, like that. Now if we made completely change, we will say it as a what a transformation, right? Like that. Okay, here also same thing. So once the data is ready to load into the target data warehouse, then ETL team will do loading. Okay, it sometimes ETL team will load the data into target data warehouse. Okay, data warehouses, sometimes they will give data in the format of what? Format of flat files, right? Flat files means sometimes text files. Okay, CSV files means Excel sheets. They will give actually, okay, format of Excel sheets to application team or DBA team. Okay, so application or DBA team will load data. Okay, we'll load the data into target warehouse. Okay, target warehouse. Okay, warehouse. How you may get it out? Why data will be? And one more thing, I'll show you the ETL tools. Number of ETL tools. Okay, we have some ETL tools, right? Anyone can tell one ETL tool at least? ETL tool. Any ETL tool you know?
SSIS.
SSIS. Huh? Yeah. Main thing is, first one, popular one is Informatica Power Center, right? This one is the famous one. Okay, first one, Informatica Power Center. And this one also there. Talent also there. Penta also there. Okay. And one more thing, you are saying some other things, right? lot of third-party tools are there. These are the popular one actually. Okay, so etc we have. These are the information. These are the ETL tools they will use. Okay, ETL team will use. So now you may get a doubt from where exactly these are this one getting different data. I told combination of different sources, right? From where it is getting. See, we'll see that now. Okay, see here. So here, see. Actually, I'm going to manage a one organization data. Okay, let's suppose organization data. Which organization? Suppose it's a pharmaceutical something. Okay, pharmaceutical organization. Okay, organization data. Here actually this guy have branch actually first. This guy branch in Hyderabad. One Hyderabad actually. See. This guy has one branch in Hyderabad. One is in Hyderabad. Okay. One is in Mumbai. One is in Chennai. Okay. Here actually he is getting more income in Hyderabad. Okay, so this one is a Hyderabad branch. He is getting more income, so he can use it. So when he is getting more income, right? So he can spend some this one money on infrastructure kind of thing and data management side. So he's using Oracle data warehouse here actually. Okay, Oracle data warehouse to manage his data. Why he is getting more income? Here actually coming to Bangalore, it's a Bangalore is there. Bangalore, he is getting more money but huge expenses, right? So he cannot spend that much money. So he's using SQL Server to manage data. Okay, manage data. And one more thing here actually, this one Chennai, it's less income. Okay, less income, huge expenses. So that is the reason here this guy using DB2 database, DB2 DB for managing data. Okay, managing data like that. Now what happened? All three Oracle way of storing data in Oracle is different. Way of storing the data in SQL Server different, right? DB2 also different. Now this guy is sitting in here actually, head office Delhi. Okay, this guy in head office. Actually, it's a head office Delhi. Head office Delhi. Okay, head office Delhi. As these three, okay, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, these three are three different data warehouses. So if you want to see the data, he can alone see independently. Oracle data separately, Hyderabad data separately, Bangalore data separately, Chennai data separately. All together he cannot able to see. Okay. And one more thing, sometimes he has to go to the location, okay, to see the data. But if you need all the three locations data with a one graphical format, he is not able to do that one, as it is three different formats. So then only the original picture come into the picture. Okay. So what happened? He need these three data into this one, but he cannot store, right? These three are different, three different databases. How come he will store into a single one? So he is maintaining centralized data warehouse. Okay. Centralized data warehouse. Centralized data warehouse. Okay. For example, he is maintaining centralized data warehouse PostgreSQL only. Okay, PostgreSQL only. Okay, but PostgreSQL, you cannot load Oracle data into PostgreSQL, SQL data into PostgreSQL, right? So then what you have to do? So you have to convert your data with respect to PostgreSQL. Yes, you can convert. So how you will convert it? Then only the original, this middle layer will come into the picture. Okay, this middle layer will come into the picture. Okay, here. That middle layer came, right? Middle layer came. Okay, once middle layer came, what happened actually here? What we are doing? Any idea? ETL operations we are doing, right? ETL operations will be filtering. ETL operations will be performed. Okay, what it will be there? Extraction, transformation. Okay, loading, right? Loading. Okay, once these two done, as part of loading, what they will do? Any idea? It will give output files. Sometimes output files, right? Output files, whatever it is, either output files or direct loading. Okay, direct loading. It will happen to where from this part to ETL part to our data will go to this part, right? It will come to this part. Our data will go to this part actually. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now here, we will load the data. Okay, so this one. So first our data will be filtered like this. Okay, so how it will be there? So now like this, all the data, this one layer, and this one layer, and this one layer. Okay, from all the three, data will goes to this place, and they will do extraction, transformation, and everything they will do, loading purpose. Again they will send data to centralized warehouse. It's a proper format, right? The data, so it will store into this one actually. Okay, so meanwhile ETL tools are there, right? Informatica Power Center, these tools and all will work here actually. Okay, now see here, for centralized, not only centralized data warehouse, okay, to say frankly. So end of the day, your target data warehouse is ready, you can load it directly. So what are the, here actually we are teaching PostgreSQL. That is the reason we are saying PostgreSQL. Most of the servers, they have Oracle, they have SQL Server as well. Okay, now see here, once our summarized data ready with respect to target warehouse. Okay, target data warehouse. Okay, we can load it directly. Okay, load it directly. Okay, you can load it directly. See, but what are the target data warehouses? Not only PostgreSQL in the market, right? So we have around, see here, we have around 32 plus data warehouse technologies in the market. Okay, 32 data warehouse technologies in the market. So what is the first one? First place goes to always Oracle, right? Second place MySQL occupied actually. Third one MS SQL. Fourth one PostgreSQL actually. Okay, fourth one PostgreSQL. Fifth one MariaDB. MariaDB, MS SQL both are same almost. Sixth one MongoDB. Okay, 1 minute. Sixth one MongoDB. Seventh one Teradata. Eighth one Greenplum. Okay. Ninth one Cassandra. 10th one Pivotal Hawk. Okay, Pivotal Hawk is there. 11th one Redis is there. 12th one MySQL is there. MySQL. Okay, MySQL is there. So not only this one, lot of things are there, but we don't know all the names, right? So around 32 plus is there, etc. Now my question is, even though we have 32, okay, even though we have 32, so we have 32 plus data warehouse technologies. Why we need to choose PostgreSQL only? Correct, right? Choose PostgreSQL only. You have 32. You can choose any of that, right? So now we are going to cover why we need PostgreSQL. Why we need, okay? Why we need this one. So here one thing is that why we need. For that one, main reason is actually, see, you people are already aware of this one. If database size growing, okay, we need to increase system resources like any idea? CPUs, right? CPUs, number of CPUs, memory, disk capacity, these kind of things you have to increase, or else definitely it will be a performance problem. Okay, if you increase disk capacity, okay. If you increase number of CPUs, then only problem. Why? Most of the data warehouses like Oracle, MS SQL, Oracle and MS SQL, it's a SQL, it's license based on the number of cores, right? Number of CPUs or cores. They will not bother about how many databases you are running. For system contains how many CPUs. They will bother about that one only. Per node, Per core. Per core, they will charge the license. That is the problem. Okay. So that is the reason most of the people, even though their data growing for the license perspective, they are in dilemma still. Whether we can increase the CP or not, they are still in dilemma. That is the problem. So cost became the headache. Cost became the headache, right? Headache with other data warehouses. Main reason that one. Okay. So then what we need? So now only they came to know that all the clients, clients, right? They have people who are paying the money. They are the clients, right? When DBS, we are the DBS. Vendor means if you face some issue, so from product side, Oracle product side, SQL product side, someone will be there to come and help, right? So that guys are vendors. So now clients who are spending money on the project, so they don't want to spend that much money. They also became intelligent. Okay. So long back also they became intelligent. Now they have some requirement. Okay. Which one? These guys. Client teams have some requirement. What is the requirement? First one, they need one software, one data warehouse. Okay. Data warehouse which is either free or very cheap. Okay. Or very cheap. That is the first one. Okay. It should be either free or it should be very cheap. Second one, it should support RDBMS. Sorry, it should support RDBMS. That means it can capable to handle the data in the format of tables. RDBMS, relational database management, right? Relational database management system means it will handle the data in a relational format, table format. Okay. It should support OLTP and OLAP transactions. Okay. Transactions. What is OLTP? Online transaction processing and online analytical processing. Banking sector is there, right? Let's suppose if you are inserting the data, if you are withdrawing the money, if you are depositing the money, within fraction of seconds it will update, right? So those kind of operations we will call it as a OLTP, online transaction processing. OLAP processing. Some people they will tell, right? If recently they are entering into the market, any market, they will say, we have 40 years industry, we have 50 years industry. These are my statistics. These kind of things they will do, right? That is concept. We will call it as the analytics. Okay. On top of the historical data, they will perform the analytics. Okay. So that kind of operations we will call it as a OLAP. Okay. And one more thing, as it is a free software, it should provide high level security. It should provide high level security. And one more thing, fifth one, it should provide high availability. High availability, very important this one, high availability. High availability means very minimal downtime. If something went wrong, master server went down, someone should act as a master. That concept we will call it as a high availability. Let's suppose if you go to bank, okay, bank. So sometimes they will keep it as the board, right? Server down. Within 5 minutes or 10 minutes, they will actually resume the services. No problem. Okay. That concept only we will call it as a high availability. Sixth one, it should provide disaster recovery. Disaster recovery capabilities. Something went wrong, completely server got crashed. Okay. They cannot say. So you have an account in bank, you went to bank. So they are saying, sir, server crashed, sir. Okay, we don't have your account details. Please start the account freshly. And please start deposit freshly means people will not accept, right? So that is the reason even the server got crashed within 30 to 40 minutes, you should recover that one. Okay. That kind of capabilities only we will call it as a disaster recovery. Next one, seventh one, it should support point in time recovery. Support PITR, point in time recovery. Anyone have any idea point in time recovery? Point in time recovery. What is that one? Point in time recovery. So suppose, for example, you have backup at 8 a.m. Okay. After 8:01 a.m., app team created, application team created one table with 100 GB data. Okay. Loading done by 9 a.m. Table by mistake dropped at 9:10 a.m. Okay. Anyone can suggest me how you will do this one. Okay. As a DBA, see, you have backup at 8 o'clock. So 8:1. That means after completion of backup, application created one table with 100 GB data, loading done by 9 a.m. So table by mistake dropped by 9:10. Someone given me some solution how to do this one. Your normal experience.
Well, take the full backup at 8 a.m. and then take the differential or log backup until or before it crashed.
Yes.
Maybe
We will
9.
apply, right? We will apply the additional logs, right? On top of full backup. Yes. That concept we will call it as a point in time recovery. So these guys, doubt is actually if it is a free software, whether it will support KT or not, that is their main intention. Okay. 1 minute. Let me have some water. Next one. If it is a free software, if required, someone should be there. Someone should be there to provide on ad hoc basis. This is too much, right? On ad hoc basis. They are saying they will not take any license, but something went wrong. If they need help, someone should be there to help. That is also not a good approach. Next one. If it is a free software, if my one is a banking domain, okay, my company will not accept free software. Then what you have to do? You need a certification for the product, like Oracle certificate. Someone is there to certify. Like all other things also, someone is there to certify, right? At the same time, they have this one. They will take the responsibility. If product something went wrong with the product, they are the responsible. Some people are asking, so someone should be there to. Someone should be there to take the risk. Okay, risk and provide certification for the product. Yeah, for the product. These are the requirements of these guys. Actually, see, Oracle, they are spending crores of money. SQL Server, they are spending crores of money. So finally, they decided to cut down the money. That cutting down, not normal cutting down, complete software side, they don't want to spend even single rupee also. That is their intention. Okay, you got my point, right? So now only as part of their searching, see here, as part of their searching, they found one database, one data warehouse with all the above features. Okay, above features. That is PostgreSQL. Okay, that is PostgreSQL. Okay, they found it in 1989. Okay, so here it became popular. From 2000, around 2011 to 12 in middle. Okay, 11 to 12 middle. 2012 middle. Then only it started slowly becoming popular. But you may get a doubt. The guys are searching. These guys released a product. That is not a fair right. That client, when the client teams are asking, they are searching. So suddenly they found PostgreSQL. It will not happen actually. Okay, PostgreSQL will support all the above features. Okay, above features, but that is not immediately came. So that is the reason we need a PostgreSQL history. That is very important actually. Okay, history. Normally you people no need, but see, if you are going to work on one product, definitely you should know this one, right? The background of the product, right? Or else no use. Okay, just coming and going, that is okay. But here actually these are the things, mandatory things. Okay, PostgreSQL history. 1983. We'll do one thing. For today we'll stop it actually. Okay, so tomorrow history just it will cover in 10 to 15 minutes. After we will jump into the architecture. Okay, so see here, there will be no demo sessions. Okay, it's not a demo, it's a actual session. Okay, so there is no concept of wasting time and all. It's a well planned one, 30 days. So 30 topics, keep on, it will go. Okay, that's it. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see the history. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. After that one, we will start with our this one actually, architecture. Okay, architecture tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next day. Total 4 hours architecture will take. Okay, so 10th or 11th, we are going to start the installation class. Yeah. Anyone have any questions for now? Hello? Yeah. If no questions, we'll wind up for today. Tomorrow, same time, we will meet. Okay,
So
right? Yeah.
when this course will be completed, will be ended?
February 4th. February 4th.
Okay, February 4th. Okay, okay.
That will be no change. Yeah.
Okay. And you're sending me a catalog also, right? So
Yes, yes. Catalog, notepad, video, everything, you people will get it. Okay.
oh, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.